kids. So again, have a nice day. Today we're going to take up finds the percentage in a given problem. So itong lesson natin again, this is came from your module. So i-explain lang natin para mas maintindihan nyo yung inyong mga module. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to find the percentage in a given problem and write the percentage of a given number. Let's have a review with our lesson. Identify the base rate and percentage. Copy the table in a sheet of paper and write the answers in the respective columns. We have given 1 to 5 items. Now, what are you going to do is identify the base rate and percentage. So, for the answer, we have, so ayan yung ating mga base rate and percentage. What did you see in this picture? So, ano yung mga nakikita nyo dyan? Anong mga symbols? Yung ating mga nakikita. Anong mga signs yan? So, we have a percent sign or percent symbols. Saan natin to kadalasan nakikita? So, yan o. Based dito sa picture. So, usually nakikita natin yan sa mga mall. Pero, minsan may mga ganito din tayo nakikita sa mga ads, di ba? Sa mga commercial ads or sa mga online shopping. So, again, ano ang meron kapag kayong ating mapapamilhin ay ganito yung nakikita nating price or yung mga amount. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating mga pinamili or papamilhin ay merong discount. So, that's why meron tayong percent discount. So, kung makikita, hindi ba nakita nyo kanina, may nakalagay 10 to 40% off or 50% discount. So, ibig sabihin, yung mapapamilihin natin ay merong bawas doon sa kanyang original price. So, let us read and analyze this problem. You can solve this on your notebook or on your paper. Christmas season is coming and Anna is so excited to do her shopping. In her list is a pair of shoes that she will wear for their Christmas party. What made her more excited was when she saw that her dream pair of shoes is on sale. From 4,295, it is now sold with 20%. The original price is 4,295 and now it is on sale which have a 20% off discount. What is the thing that Anna is excited to buy? So she is excited to buy the pair of shoes. How much is the cost of the pair of shoes? So that is 4,295. How much will Anna save if she buy the pair of shoes? So let's find out later on our solution. So, using strategy 1, we can solve our given problem by changing percent to decimal. To solve the problem, we have steps to follow. First, analyze the price of the pair of shoes. So, kanina sa ating problem, that is 4,295 at ang discount niya ay 20%. Now, convert 20% to decimal. So, that is 20 hundredths. Then, multiply the original price by the discounted price of the pair of shoes. So, let us solve. So, for our formula, we have P equals R times B, or percentage equal rate times base. So, for the mathematical sentence or number sentence, that is 4,295 times 20% equals N. So, ito yung ating original price, 4,295. Then, yung ating converted rate into decimal. So, that is 20 hundredths. So, for the answer, that is 859. So, meaning, this is the amount that was discounted to the pair of shoes that Anna wants to buy. So, ang discount na nakuha niya ay 859. So, yung 859, ibabawas natin siya doon sa original price na 4,295. So, ang babayaran na lang ni Ana ay 3,436 for the pair of shoes. So, mamahalin itong shoes na bibilihin niya, no? Ang presyo, 3,436. Discounted pa yan. So, do you think this is wise to buy this kind of shoes? It's too pricey, no? We have to be practical. Okay. So, again, let us now solve using strategy 2. This is changing percent to fraction. So, kanina, percent to decimal. So, pwede nyo gamitin kahit alin dito sa mga strategy na to kung saan kayo mas convenient gamitin. Okay? Kung saan kayo mas mapapadaling gumamit sa solution. So, to solve the problem, we have again steps. Okay? Let us analyze. So, original price, that is 4,295. Then, the discounted price is 20%. So, we're going to convert the 20%, which is our rate, into fraction. So, that will become 20/100. So, let us multiply our given. Again, for the formula, we have P times R. P equals R times B. So, ayan yung ating number sentence or mathematical sentence. So, ngayon, gagamitin naman natin ay fraction. So, we have 20/100. So, ito yung ating rate from percent to fraction. Then, let us multiply our base. Since ang ating base ay whole number, again, dun sa ating dating pinag-aralan, in multiplying fractions by whole number, we have to rename the whole number into fraction. So, paano natin siya gagawing fraction? By putting 1 as denominator sa ating whole number. Kaya, ang ating given dyan, 4,295 over 1. Then, multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So, to get the answer, 20 times 4,295, that is 85,900. And 100 times 1, that is 100. Now, let us divide. 85,900 divided by 100, that is 859. So, itong 859, yan yung ating 20% discount. So, from original price na 4,295, isusubtract lang natin itong 859 to get the discounted price. So, the answer is 3,436. So, from 4,295 minus 859, which is the 20% discount for the pair of shoes, the amount that Anna is going to pay is 3,436. That is for the pair of shoes. So, I hope naintindihan itong ating solution with the given problem. So, let's have another example. So, we have here, Jenny answered 95% of her test correctly. If there were 60 items in the test, how many items did she answer correctly? How many mistakes did she make? So, ang given natin dito ay ang ating rate at ang base. So, we're going to find for what? For the percentage. So, given ang rate at ang base, so, ang hanapin natin ay percentage. Now, let's use this problem using PSM or yung tinatawag nating problem solving map. Let us use the multi-breaker map. So, let us express rate as fraction. So, 95%, diba? 95 over 100 yan. So, to simplify, that is 19 over 20. So, ito na ang ating rate converted into fraction. So, if we're going to express rate naman as decimal, 95% will become 95 hundredths. So, let us use or apply the formula. So, we have P equals B times R, or percentage equals base times rate. So, let us solve using fraction. Let us multiply the rate as fraction by the base. So, ang gagamitin na natin dyan, yung ating simplified fraction na class ha. So, we have P equals 19 over 20 times 60 over 1. Again, since ang ating given, ang ating base ay whole number, gagawin natin siyang fraction. don't forget to rename it as fraction. Kasi yun yung rule natin, di ba, in multiplying fraction by whole number. So that is 60/1. Now, let us multiply our rate as decimal naman by the base. So, kung ang gagamitin naman natin decimal, ganito naman natin gagawin. 9500 times 60. So, to get the answer, using fraction, we have 19 times 60, that is 1,140. Then 20 times 1, that is 20. So, we just have to divide 1,140 by 20 to get the percentage. So, that is 57. So, yan yung ating sagot using, by multiplying rate by the base as fraction. So, dito naman, let us multiply our rate by base. So, that is 9,500 times 60. The answer also is 57. So, ito, we solve this in decimal naman. So, the final answer is 57. So, again, class, kung mapapansin nyo, using fraction or decimal in solving the percentage, pareho lang ang kakalabasan yan. So, kayo ang mamimili kung saan ang mas madali para sa inyo. Solving the percentage using fraction or solving the percentage by decimals. Okay? So, I hope mas naintindihan itong ating lesson. So, that's all, class. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye!